Hi, so this is my MFC project. I chose to do a metric converter. This is it right here. So essentially you would just put in a number, you would go through the box, and then you'd calculate. So when it runs, you get this file right here. This goes through kilo, hecta, deca, milli, centi, decimeter from start to finish. And then use your input and then calculate right here. And this is my MFC, or not my MFC, but my source code for the metric converter. And that's really it to my project. These are my two photos that I decided to use. This one's a little blurred out, but when it's compressed, you can see that it shows like the liters, or like the different sizes of milliliters. And this photo is just a kilogram because it's the top of the chart for the metric system. And I added my code through here. The combo box is static. Yeah, that's really it.